the seasons to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Hey, so you better be watching this because I made this video for you. I even put on freaking makeup. I didn't want to, but I did. Just for you. You should be happy. Christmas is here. Out of all the other holidays, Christmas is probably my favorite holiday. And I had received a lovely package from one of my good friends. She told me not to look at the green sticker. There's a green sticker. I never looked at it. I did not look at it. I swear on my life I did not look at it. Did my best. And she told me to make a video of me opening it so she can see my reaction. And here we go. Now Ace, I know you told me that you taped this up, and I didn't know that you taped it up this much. What the heck? Well, first, I'm going to cut on the sides gently. I don't want to poke nothing. And honestly, guys, I did not know that I was going to receive a gift this Christmas because everybody's so broke. But I'm lucky to have Ace. She's like one of my closest friends, and I love her so much. And I'm so happy that she's able to get me gifts. So I opened the box. I really love this pink bubble. But that's not the point. That's not the point. I love this. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this, but I love this so far. I love it. Next we have two Diamond No Ace, and I know one of them is Kuromochi, the secret one, right? First one is Kanemaru, and the second one, oh my god, my hands are like shaking. You have no idea. My hands are like really shaking. And Sawamura, my little sunshine boy. And then I am pretty sure this one's a Kuromochi one. Yes! I love him so much. I just had deja vu, but I love him so much. Oh my god. Really? I can't wait to wear this. I just saw this right now and I've been bugging her. I'm like, I want a shirt too. And she actually, this is like the next thing I saw. Out of all the small things in there, this is the next thing I saw. And I've been bugging her. I really want a shirt too. And I didn't think that she was gonna give me one. Look at it, it's so cute. Sejong 707. I'm gonna wear this right now. I'm gonna wear this right now. Be right back. Be right back. Ah! It's a bit big on me, but I like it because you'll be seeing I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, and I love this. Oh my god, he's so cute. And she's the one that drew this, so I will treasure this always. I will always wear this, and I love this so much. Next on the list, we have Fushimi Saruhiko, one of my favorites. I love this guy from K Project. And what is this? You know? This looks like I'm sorry. Way out of that is not what I meant. I'm sorry. I'm like, poor Kuromochi. I kid you not, I have a lot of him all around my room. I do. So much. More? I'm annoyed. Girl! I didn't know that did I buy this or did you just put this in here? I did not know I had this much. And of course, more Kuromochi. Because she knows how much I love him. Jimin, I love you. Jimin Han from Mystic Messenger. And of course, Elizabeth III on the very top. My favorite character in Mystic Messenger. Indeed, we have more Bokuto. Girl, this is like the biggest gift package that you've ever sent me this year. Or ever, actually. My desk is all dirty and I still have more. I have this. What is this? I'm very... Open it! Little Miyuki. Miyuki. Oh, he's so cute. I want to put this somewhere, but I don't know where I want to put these. And of course we have Akashi along with my Bokuto. Perfect for me. Trading can badge? What did you get me? I have 3. This is too much. This is too much for me. And I'm still shaking. A lot. I have Kenma. I love Kenma. My little kitten. I have one of my favorites. Oh my god. Oh, I love him too. I loved every character. No, if you ask me, I have a lot of husbands and a lot of enemies. I have a lot of husbands. But my number one will always be Kuromochi. FYI. And then I have Iwatan to go along with my Oikawa. And that's it. Bro, this is like the biggest package that you've ever sent me. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy with everything. I just don't know where I'm gonna put these guys at. What am I gonna do? But I love all these. They're so lovely. My best Christmas gift by far. Cause I don't know, I'm just so overwhelmed. Bro, I don't deserve you. I don't deserve you. Why are they so cute? I got it. Now I know this is not how you're supposed to wear this, but I'm going to show my love for my little owl. I'm going to show my love for my owl. I'm sorry if I didn't sound like too ecstatic or something, but don't get me wrong, I love everything. It's just that I feel like I don't deserve any of this. But I love every one of them. What the fuck am I crying? God, this is so embarrassing. But 2016 has probably been the worst year for me. And honestly, this gift has literally turned my year upside down. It just means a lot to me, and I'm just really thankful. Like, Like, thank you for being there for me, and always thank you for giving me gifts. I love it a lot. I really do. And I honestly thought this Christmas was gonna be the worst, but thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.